browser, blah blah blah, and this is my finished output of my enrollment inquiry system. Let's run it. For this is my enrollment inquiry system, and the design is based on Dabsu's theme, like the red and yellow. Now let's try to use it. Name, just me, my birthday, week, and phone number is 2020. Contact number is random number. Okay. Address, Paparak, and just BSI. BSI. Under this been added into this. Let's try to add another one. Random. Sky. Dito. So, let's try female here. Female. 2003 then. Number, another phone, 2024. Contact, another post, let's add. Here it is, it's been added. Now let's see it on access. Still not there. Let's open. And there it is. It's on the database. It's been saved. Now let's try to update this one. Let's keep the name, my name, Chief. Let's change this to another one. And my middle name would be my last name. Reverse. See? Change it to different. Full number will be the same as the first one. Then we need to keep that in mind. It needs to be synced when updating. Okay. And PSBA. Let's try PSBA. Update. Now it's been updated, as you can see. Let's try to see it on the access. Here it's already been updated, you can see. That's for now. And now let's try the clear button. Let's fill up this first. Okay, so it's my birthday and phone number, just random, rank, yes, it's clean. It's working now. Let's try to delete this. Let's try the delete button. This and now this deleted. Let's try to see it on access. Let's refresh it. Let's restart the file. Open this, and now it is been deleted. And that's all for my enrollment inquiry system with database.